This presentation is about the different forms of energy and how the energy change from one form to another. To remember all the different forms of energy, we have MELTS, MELTS. M stands for mechanical energy, the E stands for electrical energy, the L stands for light energy, the T stands for thermal energy, and the S stands for sound energy. So again, what we have to know is how the energy transforms or changes from one form to another when it's used in different devices. So for example, here we have this light bulb. So this light bulb, to work, it uses electrical energy, right? And then it produces light energy and thermal energy. Okay, very good. Let's go back. This is a sound bowl. To work, this uses mechanical energy because it has to run, and then it produces vibration, which is sound energy. Then we have this windmill. It uses the mechanical energy, the wind, mechanical energy, and then it produces electricity or electrical energy. Okay, let me put it back. These are a fireplace. To work, I guess it uses mechanical energy because a person had to put the firewood in and then lit the firewood. So I would say it uses mechanical energy and then produces light and thermal energy. This television uses electricity to work, and then it produces sound, light, and sometimes it gets warm, so also thermal. The person playing the flute here, it needs to blow the air, so it's using mechanical energy to produce sound energy, which is the vibration of the molecules on the air. And finally, we have, this is like an oven. This oven uses electricity, electrical energy, and then it changes the energy into thermal energy, light energy, and probably sound energy as well. And this is it. Good luck in your presentation.